Bethany McGill with Lady Bird Hope. Y'all, I knew I would come under fire for my antiquated promotion of pageants. Frankly, I expected my critics to say this because they want to turn all women into sluts who go to drive-thrus, getting abortions while attending college, getting indoctrinated with their patchouli wearing, hairy armpit advocating feminism. Y'all, that is just one step closer to terrorism. Let me give you a little history lesson, Lady Bird Hope style. When we fought a war with the Vietnamese because they were giving their babies drugs, did we give in? Oh, hell no. We said crack is whack. Instead, we gave everybody guns. Y'all, our country needs something to believe in. They need a beacon. And this beacon is gonna have pretty girls with batons answering questions. Because if we don't, y'all, the terrorists have won.